I was on Instagram and I found someone who sells Japanese Pokemon cards from Japan. And, you know, like any sane, normal, rational person, I contacted them and said, I was interested in buying some cards. And so I spent $300. And it's just any normal person would have done that. So the box came today. And I, for one, am extremely nervous and excited. We're going to open it up now. I took out a little packing sheet with all my info on it, my shipping info, my address. I ain't showing you guys that, but I'm super nervous because this is the first time that I've ever bought anything from anywhere else other than, America, or from somebody that wasn't like a shop online. It was just like I reached out to this person. Now they sell the cards on Instagram, but like they don't have an online store or anything. They don't have an online store or anything, so I'm not, I don't know. I'm nervous. So you're gonna come with me on this little journey here. We're gonna see if I open this box and it's just full of rocks, or if it has my cards, or are the cards that are in here fake if there's cards in here. So let's, without further ado, bubble wrap, son of a bitch. Okay, bubble wrap. Oh, okay. It's looking good so far. All right. Just slide that out of the way. Okay. Yeah. So what I ordered was 2 OP09 boxes, One Piece 09s, 2 Shiny Treasure boxes, 1 Supercharged Breaker box, and 1 151. And that is what's in here by the looks of it. Let's get in this, please. I don't want to mess anything up, so we're gonna just look for the tape seals. There's one. There it is. There it is. It's coming now. I like to keep it super, look at that, barely sticking out, so I don't want to cut in past the bubble wrap, cut into any of the boxes. I don't want that for me or for the boxes. Ow. Ow. Slammed right into the table there. Just so damn excited. Okay, this go away, I think, permanently. Here we are. Oh, not in frame. Sorry. This is the Supercharged Breaker box. I'm excited about this one. Now, packaging wise, can you even see that? There's a little bend here. Nothing too bad. I think that's fine. I mean, it looks legit. Sealed up in the plastic. So far, so good. This is the one that I'm most excited for, personally, because yeah, my pack opening addiction got triggered a little late, and I missed so much of this. So, and this is when I got into Pokemon, the original 151. I was a child. I'm old. I'm 35. So I really am excited to open this. I'd love 151 in English, but I'm not made of money, even though I just, took a chance and sent $300 to a random person in Japan. All right, and then 2 boxes of shiny treasures, or shiny treasure. And then that's it for Pokemon, because now, what's left, if I can get it out of the packaging here. Oh, we do need that box cutter again. I lied. Go. Might have been loud. Not 1, but 2 boxes of OP09. Now, personally, what I'm most excited for in this whole package, I'm going to go in order, because this is in order of what I personally am the most excited to open. Starting with One Piece, OP09. That's what I'm most excited for, personally. 151. Slide it up. Avoid this spot with the light. And then I think then I'm most excited for the Supercharge Breaker, and then the shiny treasures. This is my order for what I'm excited to open. That being said, I can't just open this box, pull these all out, and not open something, right? I want these to have their own video. These will probably have their own video. Each one of these will have its own video. So 2 videos for this. 1 and 1, possibly, maybe more. And I think I'm going to do something. I'm going to drop this box. I think I'm going to do something with these. With one of these, at least. So, I think what we're going to open is this. The shiny treasure box. One of them. Not both, just the one. So, excuse me while I resituate the camera and get it all set up, and then we'll open this up. Okay. Here we go. Now, can I get into this? The answer is I'm gonna hit my hand on the table, but only with the help of a box cutter was I able to get in this. Shit, I'm still not in it. Okay, there we go. Throw that away, and here it is. And now, I mean, I have no reason to think that this is gonna be fake, personally. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, yeah. All right. Now it's a little display, right? So how do I... I'm just gonna pop it out. There we go, right? One more? Yeah, one more. There it is. There it is. Boom. We open the little doors. I love these. I love the boxes for Japanese cards. I really do. I love these. All right. Okay. Take them out and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 packs. That's exactly what it says is in here. I'll try a different camera angle, different camera setup this time. So it's gonna look different than the last video I did with the EB1 One Piece boxes. Okay. All right. We'll just tear into the packs now, I guess. There we go. I don't know. I don't know pack tricks. So we're just gonna find out on the first one and then do it from there. Oh. Okay, here we go. Charmander. Ooh. Okay, wow, that was really early on. Oh. Entei? Oh, I forget its name, but I love this one too. It's cute. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. So 3 from the back. 3 from the back. Second pack. Oh. Feels so nice to open packs. What did I say? 3 from the back. It's the trick to the pack. Right. Vileplume. One I don't recognize. Oh, shit. Full art trainer. Next pack. We're just gonna open. Try not to waste any time. 2, 3 from the back. Oh, I saw something there. Okay. All right. Jigglypuff. Don't know him. Looks cool though. Next pack. Three. Scyther. Are you? Oh. A shiny Oddish? And Technipro. Next pack. Oh, you're gonna be a pain to open now that I did that, aren't you? Aren't you? There we go. Three. Right. Oh, God. Too many cards. Ooh. A Mew. I will never be disappointed about a Mew. I'll tell you that. Next pack. And okay. Okay. I'm not sad about it. Ooh, that's upside down. I'm not sad about it. I'm not sad about it at all. 4 packs left. Here we go. Next pack. Okay. There we go. Three. Okay. Mimikyu. Ooh. Ooh, that looks cool. That looks cool. I like it. I'll take it. An EX. 3 packs left. Next pack. Into there. 1, 2, 3. To the front. And oh, okay, another EX. I'll take it. Next pack. One, two, three. All right. And oop, missed it. All right, all right, all right. Last pack. Last pack. Hell yeah. I'm excited. Not just because it's the last pack and I'm excited to see what I get, but also because I have all those other boxes I can open up whenever I want. Front. All right. Let's see. What do we get? Our final pack. Digi. Ditto. That one. Oh, I thought I missed killing. That's not the end one? Okay. What? This one's way cooler. Why was that one behind it? That down. Get that sleeved. We'll just go back over everything. We'll just show everything one last time and just doubled up. Sorry. Mimikyu. I think Mew and this are my two favorites, although shiny Scizor pretty cool too. Shiny Oddish is really cool. Get away from me. Big pile of them. Full art trainer is also pretty cool. Yeah, that's everything. My favorites. I'll just go pull them all out right here. My favorite hits from these packs. There they are. All right there. Shiny Scizor. Shiny Oddish. Mew. I don't know this one, but he looks pretty cool. So that's what I got. That was my last pack from that box. Thank you for stopping in, watching the video. Appreciate you coming by. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you continue to have a good day, or I hope your day gets better if you weren't having a good day before this. Hope you enjoyed watching me open those cards, and see ya next time. Bye.